Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. I'm Miss Nene and welcome to Miss Nene's Art. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I am doing two 12 by 36 inch canvases, deep edge. These canvases were so long. I had to turn everything around, my camera, my lighting, everything, which gave me little to no space to work with. It was so awkward, but I had to do it because I really wanted to get this idea that I had in my head out on canvas. The past few weeks, I just been in a funk trying to come up with ideas, and I just had a dry spell, but I am back and here I am today working on these two long canvases. I'm going to be using the DecoArt Americana Enchanted paints and shimmer together today because I'm looking for this intense, rich color that only I believe those paints can do. Well, I'm sure there's others, but these I know for certain because I've worked with these before. So let me go ahead and pull up these paints so you can see exactly what I'm doing so I can explain what my plan is. So I am going to be using the DecoArt Americana Enchanted blue shimmer and the blue iridescent. Those colors together should be, I'll have the intense rich blue and then I'll have the shimmer to go along with it, as well as the violet enchanted iridescent and the violet enchanted shimmer will complement each other in this painting. And by itself will be the magenta shimmer. So these are the colors that I'm going to be using in the painting today. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope that you leave me your feedback on what you think and how it turned out. I would love to read your feedback, but I want you to enjoy this video, and I will see you at the end. Thanks so much for joining me, guys. I appreciate you. See you near the end. Okay, so here it is. I have to say I am so in love with this painting, although it was a little difficult with the tight little space that I had painting this. But look at these colors. Those DecoArt Americana paints, like I said before and in previous videos, when they hit the black background, you can still see the hint of the color. So like you can see right here, you can see the hint of the blue and the violet and the magenta, but you can still see a creamy streak there. That's going to dry, whatever color that is, because I can't tell what the color is right now. It's either the blue, the magenta, or the violet, but it's going to dry and that white streak will be gone. These paints are amazing. I love them. I may have to try it on a dark blue background because I haven't done that yet, but it reminds me of like a lightning strike in the dark. That's what this reminds me of. It is so beautiful. I love it. I absolutely love it. And I love that I finally took a chance and painted on a larger canvas. I have another large one, even larger than this. So since I took the plunge and did this one, I'm going to take the plunge and do the next one. Yeah, but oh my God, let me know what you think, how this turned out in the comments below. I love to read your feedback. This is gorgeous. I'm going to have to get some more of these paints. I didn't have the Enchanted Gold and I didn't have the Enchanted, I think it's green. Yeah, I didn't have those two. I'm going to have to go find those. But yeah, let me know what you think about this in the comments below. So next, I'm going to show you the dry results. They are so beautiful. Look at that. Oh my God. I can't get over it. It's like it's glowing almost. It's so beautiful. It's so big too. Wow. I am absolutely in love with this. This is definitely going to get resined. So beautiful. So look at that. That metallic against the black, that blue, that violet, that magenta. It just speaks on its own. It's so beautiful. I'm so happy. I'm so happy this turned out. Oh my God, it's so lovely. Guys, I just want to thank you so much for viewing me, for watching my videos, for being here, for supporting me. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. That'd be awesome. And if you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. I will be creating some more wonderful things. I'm going to do my first geode painting very, very soon, probably in the next video after this one. So look out for that. I haven't done any geode paintings, but this is going to be my first time doing it. And I want to do it on camera so everyone can see, even if it turns out crappy. I hope it doesn't though. So thank you so much for watching me, guys. Until then, stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.